Hi, I'm one of the co-primary investigators for Project ID 57. In this project, we'll be developing a fish dryer to improve fish processing for small-scale female processors in Nigeria. This project will be done in Lagos State, Nigeria. So fish processing in Nigeria is largely female-centric in the sense that women are the largest player in this value chain, and it has been dominated by the traditional means of fish preservation like the sun drying and the local smoking method, which, apart from the fact that it has been highly inefficient, it leads to contamination, and there are some post-harvest losses associated with it. Then wood, that is the major energy source, is costly, and apart from that, there are occupational hazards and health hazard associated with the use of wood, like some woods have polycyclic aromatic hydrocarbon. So over the years, there have been so many improvements in this particular technology, like introduction of modern smoking kilns and things like that. But we have observed that many of the largest players in this value chain have not adopted these particular technologies. So this is one of the major cross of this project. We are now thinking of introducing a hybrid dryer, in the sense that it will be an hybrid between solar dryer and biomass. The reason why we are bringing in these two is because solar dryer, as you know, is renewable, is a clean energy source, and biomass will be able to impact the desirable smoking flavor that makes people desire smoked fish in Nigeria and elsewhere. So with this, we believe that we have been able to bring in innovation and at the same time adapt the local knowledge that these people have been used to over the years, so that they can adopt and be carried along in this initiative. So it is gender responsive because women are at the heart of it. The overarching goal of this project is to develop and assimilate a hybrid solar biomass fish dryer for small-scale fisheries operation. And then the objectives are to introduce and build capacity along the operations of this particular dryer. Then we also want to ensure greater control by these women when we talk of benefits like improved income, savings, reduced drudgery and things like that, so that this particular process and operation can be easier for them. Then we want to do a comparative study between the methods that have been used in the past, the traditional, the improved, and now this hybrid dryer. So this project will be led by Dr. Kafayat Fakoya. She works at the Lagos State University, and she has a PhD in fisheries biology, but she has expertise in small-scale fisheries, in socioeconomics, including gender. So we believe that with this, she will be able to lead and bring in the gender perspective into this particular project. My own name is Abiodun-Solanke Ayojesutomi. I work at the Federal College of Fisheries and Marine Technology, Lagos, Nigeria. So I'm rounding off my PhD in food safety, preferably fish safety and quality, and I have special interest in fish processing, especially smoking technology. So I'll be more involved in the smoking aspect of this work, and also in the performance evaluation of the kilns and the different dryers that will be used in this study. Then we also have Professor Adenike Boyo of Faculty of Science at Lagos State University, and she has a PhD in physics with specialization in solar radiation utilization for design and construction of solar dryer. So without being told, she will be involved in the fabrication of the solar dryer and the operations and the transfer of the operations that will be used for this dryer. Then we have Professor Shehu Latunji Akitola, department in Lagos State University, and he has a PhD in fisheries with specialization in fisheries ecology. He also has an MBA in marketing, so he will be more involved in the marketing survey and the fish processing and how to actually bring about the economic perspective in this particular study. Then last but not least, we have Dr. Kafayat Ajelara. She also works at Lagos State University, and she has a PhD in zoology with specialization in entomology. So she will be more involved in the aspects of shelf life evaluation of the fish from different sources that will be used for this particular study. Thank you, and we hope to come more and tell you more about this project as the project continues. Thank you.